When the military operation in Swat forced Mohammad Hussain to flee his hometown, he ended up in Karachi without a job or any skill that could help him earn his livelihood. But thanks to Professor Richard Comp, Hussain and 24 others have learned how to harness the sun's energy to generate electricity, a viable skill that could help him in the future as well.
हमने इधर सोलर पैनल बनाना सीखा और इसको हमने आगे बना के हमने चेक भी किया और बिल्कुल सही तरीके से चला और इंशाल्लाह आगे भी मेरा इरादा है कि इस काम को अपना जो है ना रोज़गार बनाऊं और लोगों को भी सिखाऊं.
Similar solar panels have already been installed in rural areas in Peru, Nicaragua, India and more recently Pakistan. Volunteers working on the project point out how easy it is to acquire such a skill.
You don't really need a high level of education or anything like that. It's just really, I think Dr. Richard Comp, the most successful workshops he's done aren't with these high-tech engineers. They're with orphans who don't have any other means of support, or with landmine victims who, see this as an opportunity to make a living.
Noman also attended the workshop. He feels a little support from the government can help establish a booming industry for photovoltaic battery systems in the country.
तो अगर कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन या कोई कंपनी अगर हमें सपोर्ट करे तो उस हिसाब से हम ये है कि हम इसका मयार आगे बहुत ज़्यादा बुलंद कर देंगे. और जिस तरह आपको खुद मालूम है कि कराची में पाकिस्तान में खुद बिजली का इतना वो चलता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा लोड शेयरिंग चलती है, तो इसके थ्रू हम ज़्यादा इसको आगे फैला सकते हैं.
Professor Comp acknowledges that this workshop is only the beginning. He is convinced that solar power can be used to reduce dependence on the national grid and fossil fuels in Pakistan.
If each building in Karachi had a system on its roof and made most of its energy from the system, the only thing the grid would do would be the difference between what the building needs and what it's using. Some buildings are going to be making more than they use, and they can ship their electricity to other buildings that need it.
For Hussain, Noman and many others, this could spell self-employment and the chance of a better life. Not only does this small solar panel seem to hold the key to Pakistan's giant electricity problem, it could also mean more jobs for those without employment. Mubin Nasir, Tone News, Karachi.